Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can download and install MSI drivers for your laptop or desktop, the motherboard, graphics, network adapter, audio. So to do that, we will be opening a browser. So whichever browser that you have there, if you have Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, you can open either of the two. So I'll just open my Google Chrome browser, and then here in the I'll be just showing to you on how you can search it. So here, once in the Google homepage, all you need to do is just to go to the search tab here, and then we need to type MSI drivers. Once you search on that, you will see the search results here. So all you need to do is just to go with the MSI.com website or the manufacturer website. Now once you click on this one, you will get this kind of window. So all you need to do is to scroll down. So you have your download, receive the latest software, drivers, manual, and utilities. So if you scroll down, you can enter your product name to find support. So you can just type it in here if you know your product name, and you can also find your product by just clicking this drop down buttons here. So we suggest using Chrome or Edge browser to download BIOS drivers and etc. So you can select product line, just click this drop down button. You can click on the graphics cards, motherboards, so whatever products that you need, you can click on them here, and then you can also select product category. So once you have selected for this first category, the second category will be automatically open. So once you click on motherboards, we will have here product type. So please look for, if you are looking at MSI accessory, Pro series, MGP, or if you want gaming series or content creation, just please click on whichever option that is applicable on your end. So please also select product model, and then you will be you can choose from all the options here. There are so many options. So once you click on search, if you can't find what you're looking for, please search for your product model by using the search bar or bar. So you can just click on search, and once you do that, you will be able to see all the drivers and downloads that you can do or you can download in your device according to the preference that you have chosen for the categories. So here we have the title, the version, the release date, see if it's latest, and also the file size. So we have the description also, fix the system black screen issue after configuring IGD and enabling hybrid graphics. So you can click on this download button here. Once you click on this one, you will be able to download the software, and then just click or open the file, and then you will be able to install it in your device, and you will be able to fix any kind of problem according to the description here. Okay, so that's it. Just look for the preferred product that you want for your device, and that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye!